Have you ever wondered how to unlock six-figure job opportunities in the tech industry? Let's explore the world of SAP Professional Certification and its potential to transform your career.
SAP Professional Certification, your gateway to high-paying tech careers. SAP, Systems, Applications, and Products is a leading enterprise resource planning software used by many Fortune 500 companies. Obtaining an SAP Professional Certification can significantly enhance your career prospects in the tech industry. Let's delve into the intricacies of acquiring this certification online. The SAP certification process is rigorous and comprehensive. It covers various modules such as SAP S/4HANA, SAP FICO, SAP MM, and SAP HCM, among others. Each certification track requires in-depth knowledge of specific SRP modules and their integration within the broader SAP ecosystem. One reputable platform for SAP education is Michael Management. They offer a wide range of SAP courses, from beginner to advanced levels. Their curriculum includes SAP Central Finance, SAP Controlling, SAP HANA Simple Logistics, SAP Analytics, SAP Basis, SAP ABAP, and SAP Human Resources training. The certification process typically involves several steps. First, you need to choose your certification path based on your career goals and current expertise. Next, you'll need to complete the required coursework, which often includes hands-on practice in SAP systems. Finally, you'll need to pass a rigorous certification exam. It's important to note that SAP certification exams are known for their difficulty. They test not only your theoretical knowledge, but also your practical skills in using SAP systems. The exams often include scenario-based questions that simulate real-world business situations. The investment in an SAP certification can be substantial, both in terms of time and money. However, the potential return on investment is significant. SAP consultants with 5 years of experience can earn between $83,000 and $129,000 annually in the USA. Moreover, SAP-certified professionals often enjoy better job security, faster career progression, and increased visibility in the job market. For businesses, SAP corporate training packages are available. These allow companies to upskill their workforce efficiently. The packages can be customized based on the number of users and specific training needs. For instance, a package for 5 to 24 users starts at $1,200 per user. To recap, SAP Professional Certification offers a pathway to high-paying tech careers. The certification process involves choosing a specialization, completing comprehensive coursework, and passing a challenging exam. While the investment is significant, the potential rewards in terms of salary and career growth are substantial. Thank you for exploring the world of SAP Professional Certification with us. Remember, in the rapidly evolving tech industry, continuous learning and certification can be your key to success.